Good evening traders, welcome to 200forexwebs.com. Guys, in this video I am going to talk about the technical analysis of 17th of January 2020. So guys, this is about my signals technical analysis, and the previous analysis was given based on the expert advisor. So this is based on my signals that I sent to the subscribers early in the morning. Okay guys, this is a signals report that I have sent to the subscribers early in the morning, and Euro USD with a bearish expectation from 111323 and 111033 was the target price. And guys, you can see we have a big drop on Euro USD today, as I have already explained in my expert advisor video that the market has gone down, and today my recommendation was also bearish on Euro USD, and finally the market has went beyond the barriers of the target price that I have supplied in my signals report, and the target price was 111033. So overall guys, if you have taken the sell positions today on Euro USD, then your day must be ended up with very good profits. Okay, the second signal as per my signals report is New Zealand USD, and New Zealand USD with a bearish expectation from 0.66387 and 0.66061 was the target price. And guys, you can clearly see we have again a drop on New Zealand USD, and New Zealand USD has almost touched the target price that I have supplied in my signals report, which is 0.66061. So I congratulate all those traders who have taken the sell positions today on this pair. They must have ended up with very good profits. Okay, now let's talk about pound USD. So the three consecutive signals are hit as per my signals report, and this is the third signal. Great Britain pound USD, same with the bearish expectation from 130680 and 130105 is the target price. And guys, right from the entry, the market takes a U-turn, and then finally it breaks the entry, and then within few hours the market has gone down and it has almost went near to our target price. So overall, if you have taken a sell position today on Great Britain pound USD, then you must have ended up with a very good profit. At next, let's talk about Great Britain pound JPY. So I have supplied the bearish signal in case of Great Britain pound JPY from 144012 and 143222 is the target price. However, the target price is not met till now because the market is little bit above the target price, but overall it's way down from the entry. So if you have traded this one, then you must have caught a very good number of pips at your end. At next, let's talk about USDCHF. I'm going to take you towards the signals report. So USDCHF with a bullish expectation from 096582 and 096995 is the target price. And guys, you can see we have seen the finally recovery on USDCHF, and the market went about near to the target price. So congratulations to the traders who have taken the buy positions today. Their day must be ended up with very good profits. Okay. Guys, at last I'm going to talk about the USDJPY, and let me take you towards the signals report. I have supplied the bearish signal in case of USDJPY from 110178 and 110003 was the target price. However, after the drop, the market went down up to 110048, sorry, and after that it has made a bullish pin. So guys, basically scalping chances were on USDCHF, and if you have traded this one, then you must have done with profits because it went down up to here. So it was fine to take your profit up to here. Okay guys, this is all about the analysis for the signals report. So guys, if you are looking to subscribe to my daily Forex signal service, if you want to get the trading indicators, let me tell you about the trading indicators. You can see there are two red boundaries on the chart. When the market comes into the top red boundary, and if you see that the market is dropping like it happened on Euro USD today, if you see that the market is getting the drop from the top red boundary, then you can sell the pair. And whenever you see that the market is into the lower red boundary, for example on Great Britain pound USD, it was into the lower red boundary, then market starts to gain up the upward momentum, then the market moved up. When the candle closes above the middle dotted line, you can see there is a middle dotted line here, then the market continues to go further up, and when it closes below, then the market goes down. So guys, if you are looking to get this trading system, if you are looking to subscribe to my daily Forex signal service, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or guys you want to request for Skype one-to-one live coaching, or guys, if you want to learn that how I come to know in the morning that Euro USD is going to be bearish today, whatever bullish. So this is based on a trick, and I teach this trick for $700, and I take 3-day Skype coaching. And the subscriber who takes such service from me, he prepare the signals with me for 3 days, and after that, after 3 days, you will be able to produce your own signals on any currency pair, and I will tell you which technique I am using to generate a very good signal service. So guys, for all these inquiries, and even if you are willing to get the Forex trading expert advisor that you can watch in my previous videos, so in any case, for any inquiries, you need to send your inquiries on info@200forextips.com. Please do like my video, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share this analysis with other traders. And guys, have a great weekend ahead. Bye.